Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Yo, 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 yo. Wagwan, wagwan. Alright, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this very delicious, buttery soft lamb chop in a creamy garlic coconut sauce. Look at it. Wow. Look how buttery and soft this is. Look how beautiful this is. Alright. So right here I have 1.5 pounds of lamb loin chops, right? And I already went off camera and washed it in some lemon juice, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little salt to taste. Also a little pepper to taste. Now I'm going in with a little bit of smoked paprika. Also gonna add a little Cajun seasoning. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pop my season in, right? And you just need to flip to the other side and repeat the process. Alright guys, so right here I have 5 cloves of garlic, a shallot, and some parsley. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finally chop my garlic. Guys, don't attempt to try this at home unless you're a Shaolin chef like me and Appa Gang Gang. Also gonna finally chop my shallot. Chop! Was a little too hard there. Yo, my hand razor sharp. Trust me. Alright, I'm just gonna push this to the side. And I'm just gonna finally chop my parsley. Chop! Alright, so after cutting up my seasoning, I'm just gonna go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of corn oil, and you can also use vegetable oil or olive oil if you choose. And I'm just gonna go ahead and toss my pot around a bit just to level the oil in the bottom of the pot, right? Now I'm going in with my lamb chops. I just want to give a big shout out to all the fathers out there. You know, happy Father's Day. You know, much respect, much respect. It takes a lot to be a father, you know, a responsible one at that. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give these about 3 minutes on each side. And guys, trust me, the kitchen is just smelling amazing right now. You know, my kitchen always smells good already, you know. You know, with all these food scents, you know. Yeah man. Alright. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you do so, you know. Just help a brother out. Just help me to keep bringing you awesome recipes like this, right? Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and turn them on the side. I'm just gonna give the side a nice little sear, right? I want to give me trouble now. Alright, I'm gonna leave that for last. Guys, just look how beautiful these look. Just tell the truth. Tell the truth. They might look pretty. Eh? They might look like, yo, I feel like I eat it. Like no, you know, I feel like I wouldn't even cook it down. I feel like I would just eat them now. Right? Alright, so the trouble one I know. I want to give me a roll for trouble. I'm gonna just set it in that little corner right here. Nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove them from the pot. Jano, just look how amazing these look. Wow, then I look, yo, trust me, looks so mouth-watering right now. Alright guys, do not wash the pot out. You see all this crust? Trust me, this is pure gold right here, right? Alright, so now I'm going in with 60 grams of butter, After my butter is melted, I'm now going in with my garlic, also my shallots. And I'm just gonna saute for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of flour. And the flour is to add a little texture to the sauce. Also gonna add 400 ml of coconut milk. And I'm using the organic coconut milk, but you can use the regular one if you choose. Now I'm going in with some salt to taste. Also some pepper to taste. Half teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of dry chives. 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And the crushed red pepper is optional. I just want to add a little zest to mine, right? So now I'm gonna add my lamb chops. You see how rich and creamy the sauce is? Wow, you should have smelled it. Trust me, that exotic coconut flavor, you know? Alright, so I'm just gonna drain the rest of the juice from the lamb chops in the sauce as well, because you don't want to waste that flavor, right? So now I'm spoon feeding my lamb chops with that amazing coconut sauce. And I'm just gonna give it about 2 minutes in the sauce before I turn it off. Alright, so now for the final ingredients, I'm gonna add my fresh parsley. And immediately after you add in the fresh parsley, you're gonna turn the stove off. Now, here are the finishing product right here. Oh, look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright, as you can see right here, I'm serving mine with some mixed veg and some mashed potato. Right? And just look how creamy this sauce is. Wow. Just imagine, right? I know you guys supposed to imagine in the flavor right now. Trust me, it's amazing. That lamb chops paired well with that coconut sauce. Wow, just look how buttery and soft this is, guys. Just look how soft this is. This pretty, don't it? So tender, so juicy. Right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of taste test. Alright, so just let me show you a close-up. Whoa, look how beautiful this is. What? Yo, this bud like yours. Yo, this shot. Yo, you need to try this, trust me. Alright, just let me try some of that potato with that nice coconut sauce. Yo, just look how delicious this look. Just look on this. I know your mouth is running right now. I know your mouth is drooling for this.
They're starting to unwind and start to intertwine with my soul.